Repotting the trees or flowers that grow in pots is very important, because as they grow they will not have enough space for the roots to grow, and it will cause the plant to suffer. I have a few lemon trees, and observed that they are not growing so well. After the trimming of the plant, so that it have the appearance I desired, I decided to repot it. First of all, we need to accurately extract the flower from the pot. We can observe that the soil was of low quality and this should have been the cause of the bad grow. Next, it is needed to remove all the old soil from the root ball. Washing the root ball so that all the soil will be removed also can be done. Take a pot in which you will grow the plant and fill 1/4 of it with soil. I use soil mix for all types of plants. Fill the rest of the container with the soil and press it thoroughly so that no air remains in the soil. Water it thoroughly, then add some more soil and press it again. The final result should look like this. As I have another tree, I will repeat the same process for it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.